In this video, I will share Islamiyat in Pakistan Studies portion that came in IBA screening test paper 2 held on 13 June 2023. Question number 86. When was the Second World War started? A. 1945, B. 1939, C. 1947, D. 1950. And the correct option is B. 1939. Question number 87. Name the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. A. Chaudhry Muhammad Ali, B. Muhammad Ali Bogra, C. Liaquat Ali Khan, D. Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. And the correct answer is C. Liaquat Ali Khan. I have already uploaded videos on First in Pakistan, so go and prepare accordingly in IBA screening test preparation playlist. Question number 88. Which city of Pakistan was destroyed in earthquake of 1935? This question is repeated. This question came in town officer and municipal officer test. Question number A, and the option A, Balakot, B. Quetta, C. Lahore, D. Abbottabad. And the correct option is B. Quetta. Question number 89. In dash was the direction of Qibla changed from Masjid al-Aqsa to Masjid al-Haram? And the answer options are A. 10 Hijri, B. 2 Hijri, C. 3 Hijri, D. 1 Hijri. And the correct option is B. 2 Hijri. Question number 90. At which place did the angel bring the first revelation to the Holy Prophet Muhammad Khatamin Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? A. Cave Hira, B. the Tur Mountain, C. Mountain of Uhud, D. Jabal Rahmat. And the correct option is A. Cave Hira. Subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Facebook. Thank you.